So just played. I can't even see the name. Okay, John, go play with Beck. There you go. That's better. It's what are their names? Well, they just IP booted me. I can't sign on. Can't do anything. Can't sign on. I'll show you my router in a second. IP flood. That's what it was. It was his GB name is JT Soguchi. I forgot what his PSN name is. Actually, I'll be able to find it right here. Actually. Snappacked. And whoever JT Soguchi was on. Oh, it's Kobe. Clutch like Kobe. Snappacked and Clutch like Kobe. I just got IP booted. I can't sign on. My laptop says I have connection, but watch me click something. Clicking stuff. Go to their team. Can't do anything. Just got IP booted. 1 second. And look, the lights are on, and yet I still can't do anything. Thank you. JT Soguchi is a known IP booter and lag switcher. But yeah, thank you.